In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account or how to sign up for ChatGPT. If you're also trying to sign up for ChatGPT, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. To sign up for ChatGPT, you need to visit the website of ChatGPT. So open up your web browsers first of all and search for chat.openai.com. Once you hit search, it's going to take you to the login or sign up page. To create an account, click on the sign up option. And firstly, you'll need to type in your email address. Instead of your email, you can also sign up using your Google account or your Microsoft account. If you choose these options, you'll be immediately signed up and you'll only need to enter in the mobile number. To this process, you'll need to create a password as well. So select your preferred option. For this video, I'm going to use the email. Once you type in the email, click on continue. And it's going to show you the section of creating the password. Once you created a password, you can click on continue. And there you go, as easy as that. You'll be now successfully signed up for ChatGPT. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.